PPP expresses concern over U.S. Embassy move to Jerusalem. Shifting U.S. Embassy to Jerusalem will send a costly signal. Vice President Senator Sherry Raymond expressed concern over the Trump administration over the U.S. Embassy in Israel to Jerusalem. Raymond said, "If the Trump administration moves the U.S. Embassy to Jerusalem, it will be a costly signal to the entire Muslim world. Moving the capital to Jerusalem will fuel the fires of extremism and exacerbate fault lines in an earlier volatile Middle East, and the relationship of the U.S. with its Muslim allies stressed. This move will minimize any possibility of a two-state solution, as Jerusalem is in the heart of the two-state solution, which is currently the only viable solution to the conflict." Raymond concluded by saying, "The PPP has always stood for the Palestinian people. The government of Pakistan must therefore make it stand loud and clear on this alarming development. Pakistan should not wait to convey its concern.